सरकार करे, ऐसा आपके माध्यम से निवेदन है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Chairman sir. Sir, today maybe the Italian ship Enrica Lexi may be leaving India. I am raising a very important issue in this August House. Sir, on February 15th, two fishermen, traditional fishermen who went to the sea to earn their lively bread, they were shot dead. It was a cold-blooded, brutal murder by Italian Marines in the Indian waters. Anyway, I am not going into the details of the case because that litigation is pending before a court of law, and even the apex court has taken that matter very seriously. Sir, I would like to get your help also, sir, in this matter, because 10 states have coastal areas in India. Our total kilometers, our coastal area, it is more than 5,500 kilometers stretch. It means that we are having a coastal area which is larger than, more than the coastal area which is enjoyed by some of the richest nations of the world. Sir, lakhs and lakhs of fishermen are depending upon the sea. Sir, as you also know, sir, since 1991, hundreds of foreign ships and trawlers, they are plowing throughout the coastal areas of India. So what happens? The poor people, the poor fishermen, they do not get the fish catch. So they are forced to, they are bound to, they are forced to go to the high seas. Now, even if the Italian government is right, I am not saying that they are correct in their version, but they say that the incident happened at 22 nautical miles from the seashore. Sir, our traditional fishermen, they are demanding that they should be given protection up to 60, I repeat 60 nautical miles from the coastal belt. If that is not given by our agencies, our system, I mean the Indian Navy is there, the Coast Guard is there,
you come to the point. You come to the point. It's not a debate.
Sir, this is a very serious matter, sir.
You tell the point.
Not only my state, but your state also, some North Indian states also. They are afraid of the foreign ships. Anything can happen to any fisherman at any time in Indian seas. Whether I would like to know, sir, whether we are supreme, whether we are sovereign in our waters, or other marines, the foreign ships are supreme in our waters, sir. Sir, this happened. This is a very sad incident. This is one of the most tragic incidents.
Okay.
And in this matter, it is not a private contractors, private security guards who have opened fire. The fire was opened by Italian Marines. They are under the direct control of the Italian government. There may be questions of immunity. There may be questions of sovereignty.
No, already you said the matter in the court. Why are you going very detailed?
So, sir, through you, I appeal to the government of India that there should be coordination between the government of India's agencies and the state government agencies. There should be coordination between the Navy, the Coast Guard, the Marine Enforcement, and the Home Affairs Ministry also, sir. This is a very serious matter. I appeal through you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.